Hey friends, it's Neil with Window Effects. Just want to show you when we get done with the window what things you need to be concerned about and what we need to know about. So we're going to tell you got like a 3-day curing process. If you pay for the express roll down, you can wind your window right down. But if you don't, you got to wait 3 days. But either way, so you know what's going to cure out and what's not going to cure out. So what you want to do is you want to look at the outside of your window because that's what's going to show your imperfections. So you can see like a haziness to this right here. That's the water curing out. But if you ever notice something like that, that's what a window tinter calls a finger, because it looks like a finger popped up and it would be white. So if we know about that within that day, all we have to do is get like a paper towel and a card and push it right down, it goes away. So when you come to the inside and you look at the window, you can't see in the camera probably, but you may notice like some little tiny water blisters. That's 100% normal. So if you see it on the inside, it's gonna go away. If you see it on the outside and it's white, it's not gonna go away. So just let us know as soon as possible and we'll take care of it, because sometimes in the colder weather or in different environments, a little finger will pop up or a little bubble may pop up on the outside, which is rare. But again, if you see it on the outside and it's white, we can fix it right away if we know about it. So that's the difference in knowing if you need your window looked at or if it's gonna cure. Because a lot of window tinters will just say, oh, that's gonna cure out, and then it never does and they never fix it. So we'll take care of it if it needs fixed, but if not, it may just be on the inside. Thanks for watching.